to flex my love, I want to impress, and I want to carry my love to a place she loves. I'm